Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Coleus Solenostemon on Main Street Ashbury. Join us on a journey to uncover the history, unique features, and practical care tips for this extraordinary plant. This striking cultivar is a result of careful breeding, a marriage of art and science that has given rise to its remarkable features. With roots tracing back to its wild ancestor, the Coleus has been cultivated and cherished for generations. Its lush, vibrant leaves are a canvas of colors, ranging from deep purples to shades of green, adorned with intricate patterns that seem almost painted by nature itself. The leaves' serrated edges add a touch of elegance, making this Coleus a true work of living art. Unlock the secrets to cultivating a thriving Main Street Ashbury Coleus in your own garden or indoor space. This versatile plant thrives in bright, indirect light, making it an ideal choice for both sunlight gardens and well-lit indoor corners. With its preference for well-draining soil and regular watering, you'll have the pleasure of watching this Coleus flourish. Its vibrant colors and unique foliage make it an excellent companion for a variety of plants, creating visually appealing combinations that elevate the beauty of any garden bed or container arrangement beyond its ornamental allure. The Main Street Ashbury Coleus offers a range of uses that go beyond its breathtaking appearance. Use it to add a pop of color to landscapes, borders, or even as a potted centerpiece. Its versatility extends to its adaptability to various climates, making it a versatile choice for gardening enthusiasts across regions. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of Coleus Solenostemon, Main Street Ashbury. Don't forget to hit that subscribe buttons to stay connected with our gardening and farming channels. Happy planting, and may the vibrant hues of this Coleus add a touch of magic to your green spaces.